your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you JP, my neck, my back, so
Alright guys, we are not wasting any time today. We're gonna hop right into this tutorial. So all I did was wash and blow dry my hair, and then I separated it into 4 sections. The back 2 sections I braided down, and I'm gonna sew those sections to my head. In the front, we're gonna start with our parting. This took me the longest because I wasn't really sure what I was going for, but this is some braid and lock gel that I'm using, and you're gonna use this every single time you part your hair. Also use a bit on the front to gather your 2 strands. So all you do is take 2 strands of hair and twist them on top of each other. Every time you go further back into the twist, you grab another little piece of hair and then secure it with a rubber band. After the end of the twist, I just 2 strand twisted the hair all the way down.
my neck, my back, black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl.
This little thing I got off Amazon is just to keep the back hair in the back and the front hair in the front. So I kind of jumped to the middle of my head a little bit. I'm doing the same thing. It's very repetitive. Keep doing the same thing over and over and over. If you want to add designs, like I did this little kind of diagonal thing with my parting, I would suggest just to give it a little bit of, variety, make it a little fun. But same as usual, just secure it with a rubber band and then 2 strand twist your real hair all the way to the bottom.
Coming out of my shirt and then my skirt came down.
I like this hairstyle because you can really get funky with the parts if you want. I've always struggled with parting my hair ever since I was a little girl. So doing stuff like this really helps me make sure that my parts are straight and I can practice on myself so I'm not messing up anyone else's hair.
Girl, if you black girl, do your thing.
As I said, make sure you put a little bit of twist and lock gel on the front so you can gather your 2 pieces. My hair likes to slip and slide, so I need to make sure I have some type of grippy gel so that my hair stays down on my scalp. And like I said, grab a little piece as you keep twisting to the end. Use a rubber band to secure it, and then twist your real hair all the way to the bottom. You shouldn't need a rubber band to hold your hair in this style if you have curly hair already like me. But if your hair is a little bit more of a loose pattern, you could also use a rubber band or even beads to secure the end of the twist.
Why my all the time change? I'm still playing the victim and you still playing to pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
This is the last twist that I have in the front, and I just kind of slowed this one down. So this hair that I'm pulling right now, this is going to be our leave out for the back, so don't worry about that. But as I've said, use a little bit of twist and lock, flat twist the hair while you grab a little bit by a little bit each time you go further and further back on the twist. Secure it with a rubber band, and you got it. Twist it all the way down to the bottom.
My pussy precedes me. Why my all the time change? You still talking about babies and I'm still taking the plan B. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see it. I'm blind.
So this is Ultra Glam Water Curl. I think I ended up using a mix of this and the Jerry Curl. I think my plan was to use all Jerry Curl because my real hair looks like that texture. I don't know. I think when they were mixed together, I think it looked really, really cute. So anyways, I'm very unprofessionally sewing this hair onto the braids that I put in the back of my head. I think if you want a more full look, you should use maybe 2 packs. This was 1.5 packs of hair, and I just brushed it out. So to get my curls to match this texture, or I guess to make this texture match my curls, I combed all of the curls out, and then I used the Big Poppa like mousse gel, and then I just kind of put that all throughout the hair. Now this hair is a blend. It's not meant to be worn for a long time. Like I said, I just needed a style to keep my hair in for like a week, and it lasted for about a week. So this is from the Do, I'm sorry. So all I did was kind of put this through my whole head, and I combed it with like a very wide comb, and then I used a Denman brush as well to kind of curl the hair. So yeah, after all this was said and done, the curls look just like mine, and it doesn't really matter because your real hair is not really out except for these twists. But yeah, I thought this was a really cute hairstyle. It took me a few hours, not gonna lie, like with all the parting in the front and the sewing in the back. So probably like 3 hours, maybe 3.5 total to do this entire hairstyle. But this lasted me for about a week and a half. You can style it in a full ponytail. You can style it half up, half down, or you can just wear the hair all the way down. You can even put it in a cute little bun, which I thought was super cute, like if you get hot or if you're going to the gym. But yeah, to protect your hair at night, just put on a satin scarf. And then if you want to protect the curls, I would 2-strand twist them and then put a bonnet on. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.